Hello there. My name is Grant Leslie. I'm the team captain of 2338 Gear It Forward out of SD308. I'm here to go and show you guys how to put together this popsicle stick catapult. It's going to be a really cool project, nice and easy, and all you need is this stuff right here in front of you, which should be inside of your kits. So with that out of the way, I think we can just hop right into it. If you want to go and pull all of this out from the kit, along with your handy dandy directions, which I will be following along with you, and we'll just get started. Keep in mind, because this is a video, if at any time you need to pause or go back a little bit to check how I did something, go ahead and just go back and check on your own. It's all going to be on your own time. So with that, we're going to go and get started right into our first step. So first thing here is we need to create a stack of 4 popsicle sticks and rubber band them together. So I'm going to grab 4 of our little popsicle sticks here, and I need to rubber band them together on both sides. So I'm just going to wrap this guy around till it's reasonably tight and just needs to be enough for them to hold on one side. And we'll do it on the other side as well. Same exact thing. So you should get something that kind of looks like this. Now the next step is we're going to take 2 more popsicle sticks. We're going to place them together like this, and we're just going to wrap them on one side. We're going to leave the other side open, and you'll see why in just a second. So just like the other 4, we're going to do the same wrapping on this end. So it's nice and tight. They're going to hold together, but we're going to leave it open on the other end so we can open this up. Okay? Should look something like this. Now the next step is we're going to gently pull these apart a little bit. You might want to shift a little bit, but we'll pull them apart, and we're going to slide this piece through and kind of hold it in here. So it should make like a little plus sign here. Just like that. Okay. Now when this is resting in here, we're going to need to attach this piece to our top popsicle stick. So how we're going to do that, so I'm going to take one of these rubber bands, and I'm going to make a little infinity sign, like a little 8, and fold it back. So now it's a smaller loop. And we're going to do that one more time. So then you kind of got something that looks like this. And I'm going to wrap one end around this side of our cross and have it wrap over the top to the other side. So you'll see I'm going to do that like this. Oops. I'm going to take one of these ends, wrap it over. So now you can see it's stuck on that side. And I'm going to pull the other end all the way across until it's grabbing the other side. We're going to make this nice little X on the top there. And then after that's done, you can kind of slide this piece over and slide it down a little bit. Just get it where you want. The idea for this is that it's going to be able to sit nice and stable on the ground there. Okay. Now, once we have that, our next step, and one of our last ones, is we are going to take our spoon here, and we're just going to attach it to the top of here. So, do that. Now I've got my spoon rubber banded onto the top here. We can set this down. We've got a little catapult. Now, all you have to do to fire it is you're going to take one of your little pom-poms and take this purple one here. You're going to set it in the spoon. You're going to hold down one end with your hand. You're going to pull this back. When you let go, it'll fly up into the air. And yeah, you can make this go to places. You can lift it up a little bit and pull back. and fire at different locations, different angles. You can pull back different ways and maybe go only a little bit. Maybe it'll just pop up a little bit. You can kind of play around with that and see how that works. So that is your completed catapult. You can play around with that how you like. See about shifting things around. What happens when maybe you pull the spoon out a little bit more and you make it a little bit longer? What happens when it goes like that? That's the kind of stuff that you're going to want to look for to kind of interact and learn more about how this thing works. So yeah, with that all done, thank you for joining me and building ourselves a little popsicle catapult. I hope you guys had fun and enjoy.